naman. Yan guys, yung ginawa natin. Tapos kinabitan natin yan ng VIP ceiling. Ito guys, VIP sidings. Yan. Napakaganda sidings guys, napakasulit. Yan. Ito yung harap. Tignan natin na yung ano yan, oh, VIP side ceiling cover. Seat cover kinabit natin, binagay na yung headrest. Tapos kinabitan natin ang sidings yan guys. At dito yan, naka-sidings yan. Tapos yung ceiling natin. Yan. Yan guys ha.